I love investing. I love the time value of money. I love compounding. I love playing offense. In the financial game, that's offense. But we all know championships are won with good defense. Defense is insurance, and an umbrella policy is what any person with a high net worth must have. An umbrella liability insurance. That's the insurance that you're going to get when an event where you have to pay blows past your maximum limits on your auto and your home insurance policies. Why do you need that extra layer of protection? Because many times in today's litigious society, lawyers are going to come after you. If they see dollar signs, you know they're coming after you. Get that protection above the base of your home and auto. Let's talk about a few real world examples here. Typical lawsuit awarded $2 million. Your average auto limit is $500,000. So you have a gap in your coverage of $1.5 million. So if you could protect those assets, if your net worth was above there, you could do it at a reasonable price of somewhere in between $300 and $500 a year per $1 million of coverage. This is not a bad price to offset that risk to the insurance company to protect what you've worked on for decades. What I'm suggesting here is you not losing millions of dollars in minutes when it's taken decades to save it up and earn it. Why umbrella coverage matters. You need the financial security. You need the asset protection, and you need it for lawsuit defense. What can it protect? It can protect your home equity, your investment accounts. Perhaps you have a farm or a ranch that could be subject to lawsuits. You want to protect your retirement funds, your future wages for potential garnishment. And more importantly, you just want peace of mind when you go to sleep knowing that if a tragedy were to happen, that your assets are protected. I want to talk about what an umbrella policy does not cover, and those are business risk. You'll want to have a separate business policy for that. It will not cover contractual liabilities. If you entered into a contract, that's not part of it. And if you're negligent or intentional on things, when I say negligent, something that's happened over and over and you're just obviously negligent. Let's do a quick recap. Extra liability above your base insurance activates when the base limits are used up. It protects all your big assets, your home, your farm, your retirement accounts, and it's affordable. If you have those kind of assets, you need to protect them.